You guys look at the length of my hair.
Oh,
I'm putting it the same way that I put the moisturizer, but I'm focusing on the ends of my hair. You guys don't forget your ends because they are the driest part of your hair and they are very quick to damage. Because my scalp is dry from the scalp toner, I'm going to be using the hair growth oil all over my scalp and making sure that I put it everywhere. After dropping the oil onto my scalp using this dropper, I just kind of go ahead and massage it onto my scalp, starting from the back to the front of my hair and then from the front to the back area as well. That's just what I do. Massaging helps to stimulate blood flow, which helps to stimulate new hair growth. So guys, so I have like a problem area here. My hair is really shorter, so I try to give it more attention by massaging only this part of my hair because I'm really trying to grow it out. And then I also have the same problem here. I'm really trying to grow them out, so I'm massaging them more. I'm really done with my night routine. Just to prevent frizz, I like to twist up my hair just like this. After twisting down the two sections, I just go ahead and secure them at the back with a rubber band. Just tie it once because I don't want them hanging by the sides. It's going to be uncomfortable when I sleep. Then I go ahead to wear my satin bonnet to prevent further frizz and even tangles. You guys, day 5, I went to school and I just came back. This is how I rocked my hair to school. Just laid my edges and threw on this scarf. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. You guys, so it's actually day 7 and I want to untwist my hair right now. To untwist my hair, I'm using a little bit of the Zizathecap hair growth oil. Massage it onto my hair, especially the ends. This helps to control frizz. Then I kind of unwind my hair the opposite way that I twisted it, just so it pops open, and from there I just start untwisting carefully. I was not really trying to get the perfect twist out because I'm not going to wear it out, but my twist out still came out popping. This is the hair growth that I experienced within this 1 week, and it was good because I was massaging my hair growth oil. You guys, look at that definition. It's giving exactly what it's supposed to give. Anyways, I put my hair into this high ponytail because I can turn it into a bun, rock it for a few days, and then wash my hair. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.